Hello. In this lesson, we're going to be working on multi-digit subtraction when there's a missing number within the problem. Some things to know about subtraction. We always start with a total on the top. So that's going to be your biggest number is going to be on the top. And then we subtract a part to get us a part. This is just like our math mountains. The very top is our total and our two side amounts are parts. We can utilize this information of um, with parts we add, with total to parts we subtract. So if I know I have something minus 7 and I get 0, well, then I know that the top number has to be equal to what I'm subtracting by so that we get 0 as a result. Or if we looked at a math mountain, it would be 0, and then we would have a 7. And up at the top, we would end up with something. So 0 plus 7, since both of those are parts, gets us 7 as our total amount. So we know that 7 goes up on the top here. In the next case, we know the total, the top number, and we know a part. But if we look, our part is actually bigger than our total currently. So that means we needed to borrow from next door. So we're going to make the 9 one smaller. And we're going to make the 7 10 bigger. So it's going to turn into 17. Now we can use that math mountain as still our total amount is 17. We know we have something plus 8 to get us to that 17. So in this case, we can use our subtraction between our total amount of 17 and the 8. And 17 minus 8 is 9. So our missing part here is 9. If we throw that into our math mountain, we do see 9 plus 8 will get us up to that 17. The next one, 8 minus 8. If I have 8 erasers and I give away 8 erasers, I'm left with 0 erasers. And we had 8 in this column that did not need to be borrowed. So our overall answer here would be 8,080. On this next one, give it a try. Pause the video. Resume to see if you are correct. Welcome back. I hope you had a chance to try this problem. Let's give it a whirl. Well, I can see that 2 is already smaller than my part, and we cannot have the top smaller. So we need to borrow from next door. The 8 is going to become a 7, making that 2 a 12. Now I can solve this. 12 minus 9, I get 3. So 3 is my missing amount. 12 minus 3 would get me to the 9. The next row, I have a big number on top, a small number underneath it, so I can just subtract. 7 minus 4 will get me to 3. 9 minus 8, I do get the 1. And something minus nothing will get me 2. Well, that something needs to be a 2 since I didn't do any type of borrowing from there. So our overall answer would be 2,139. Give your worksheet a try. If you are having trouble or getting stuck, please rewatch the video and good luck.